So let's take a look at how to data bind list of array items in Vue.Js. So you can go to Vue.js, click on Get Started, and here you can get the CDN path for Vue.js. Okay, so after that, open text editor and create one index.html file. And here you can add some boilerplate HTML. So nothing specific, just add some title. Also the path that I just taken from getting started page, you can paste it in header. You can also paste it in body. Either way is fine. Okay. Next thing is we are going to create list of items that I want to bind with Vue.js. Okay. So first thing, we will create a script. Okay, now inside the script I'm going to create our new view. Okay, now here what I want to do is I want to append to element. So let's name that element as app. Okay, next thing I want to have a data. Okay, where I want to have items. Okay, so within items I'm gonna add something like shoe. Okay, so shoe, pen, and then rubber, and then notebook. So these are the items that I want to make a list of and display with the help of Vue. Okay, so for that what I'm gonna create a div. Okay, and set its ID to app. Okay, and then inside this we want to create list. So let's say I created list, and if you want to bind your items in Vue to that list, we use v4. Okay, this binds your item in items so that it can display one at a time. Okay, so and here you just have to simply say item. Okay, and it will fetch your each item from the array of these items and display it in a list form. Okay, so we have to test this and see if it works. Make sure this ID and the element that you are pointing in Vue are same. Next thing, also make sure to check v4 pointing to item in items. You can name this item something like data in let's say items or anything. Make sure these items and the items in your data have same name. Okay, so after all of that we can open browser, and here I can just refresh the page and you can see it shows the item from items. Okay, so you learn how to data bind your list of array items using Vue.js.